Keanu Reeves isn't just a Hollywood icon. He's a motorcycle connoisseur. Here are the 7 dream machines that fuel his passion for the open road. Keanu Reeves is a true motorcycling enthusiast with a lifelong love for the open road. His passion for motorcycles started in the 1980s when a friend let him take a ride on a Kawasaki KLR-600. That single ride sparked a connection that would define a big part of his life. Since then, motorcycles have become more than just a hobby for Keanu. They're an extension of who he is. He's ridden countless bikes, from vintage classics to cutting-edge machines, and even co-founded Arch Motorcycle, a company dedicated to crafting custom, high-performance motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the 7 dream machines that hold a special place in Keanu's heart. Each one tells a story of speed, style, and his deep love for life on 2 wheels. Let's get started. Number 7. The Kawasaki KLR-600. It all started here. The Kawasaki KLR-600 was the bike that lit the spark for Keanu Reeves' lifelong passion for motorcycles. In the 1980s, a friend handed him the keys, and Keanu couldn't resist taking it for a spin. That ride wasn't just a thrill. It was the beginning of a deep love for the freedom of the open road. The KLR-600 is known for its rugged design and versatility, but for Keanu, it was more than just a machine. It was a door to a new world. He often talks about how that first ride felt like a moment of pure joy, and it's no wonder this bike holds a special place in his heart. Number 6. The Arch KRGT1. Fast forward to today, and we have the Arch KRGT1, a motorcycle Keanu not only rides, but helped design. As the co-founder of Arch Motorcycle, Keanu has poured his passion and creativity into crafting custom, high-performance bikes, and the KRGT1 is the flagship model of his company. The bike combines stunning craftsmanship with a roaring V-twin engine and a sleek, aggressive design. Keanu has said that riding the KRGT1 feels like being part of the machine. It's not just a bike, it's a culmination of his lifelong journey with motorcycles, blending art and engineering into something truly unique. Number 5. The 1973 Norton Commando 850. Keanu's love for vintage motorcycles shines through with this 1973 Norton Commando 850. This British classic is a symbol of the golden age of motorcycles, combining timeless design with a powerful engine that still holds its own today. For Keanu, the Commando is more than just a collectible, it's a bike he genuinely loves to ride. He's often spotted cruising the streets of Los Angeles on it, appreciating the craftsmanship and character that only a vintage bike can offer. The Norton Commando reminds him and all riders that some things truly get better with age. Number 4. The Suzuki GSX-R750. Known as the bike that redefines sport motorcycles, the Suzuki GSX-R750 is a favorite of Keanu's for its cutting-edge performance and sleek design. This legendary ride is a masterpiece of engineering, boasting a lightweight frame and a powerful engine that makes it a thrill to ride. Keanu has often spoken about how the GSX-R750 lets him connect with speed and precision on the road. For him, it's not just about the performance, it's about the feeling of being completely in sync with the machine. Whether he's carving through winding roads or cruising through the Santa Monica Hills, this bike delivers the kind of exhilaration that only a true sport bike can offer. Number 3. The Arch Method 143, one of the jewels of Keanu's collection and a testament to his vision as a motorcycle designer. Built by Arch Motorcycle, this futuristic machine is made from carbon fiber and aluminum with a powerful 2,343cc V-twin engine that delivers jaw-dropping performance. What makes the Method 143 truly unique is its design, with a sleek, aggressive look and high-end details like a single-sided swing arm and integrated LED lighting. It's a bike that turns heads wherever it goes. For Keanu, this is more than just a motorcycle. It's a dream realized. The Method 143 showcases his love for innovation, artistry, and the thrill of the ride. Number 2. The 1974 BMW R756. Keanu's 1974 BMW R756 is a bike that embodies timeless elegance and reliability. This German classic is renowned for its smooth handling and enduring design, making it a favorite among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. Keanu has often been seen riding his beauty through the Malibu coastline, enjoying its effortless ride and classic aesthetic. For him, the BMW R756 represents the perfect balance of simplicity and sophistication. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of appreciation for the craftsmanship of a bygone era. Number 1. The 2004 Ducati 998 Matrix Reloaded Edition. Topping the list is a bike that's not just part of Keanu's collection, it's part of his Hollywood legacy. The 2004 Ducati 998 Matrix Reloaded Edition was created to celebrate Keanu's iconic motorcycle chase scene in The Matrix Reloaded. This limited edition masterpiece is based on the legendary Ducati 998, featuring a sleek green paint job inspired by the movie's digital code aesthetic. Keanu's connection to this bike goes beyond its role in the film. He's spoken about how thrilling it was to ride the Ducati 998 during one of the most memorable action sequences in his career. With its high-performance design and roaring power, this bike isn't just a collector's item. It's a symbol of Keanu's love for speed, precision, and cinematic storytelling. For Keanu, the Matrix Edition Ducati is the perfect blend of art, performance, and his passion for motorcycles, making it the ultimate dream machine. And there you have it. Keanu Reeves' top 7 dream machines, each one a piece of his incredible journey as both a Hollywood icon and a true motorcycle enthusiast. These bikes aren't just rides. They're stories of freedom, speed, and the artistry of the open road. From the roar of vintage classics to the futuristic precision of custom builds, Keanu's collection is as diverse and dynamic as the man himself. Each bike reflects a part of his soul, a love for adventure, the thrill of innovation, and a passion for living life full throttle. If you're as inspired by these dream machines as we are, stick around. There's a world of motorcycles and untold stories waiting to be explored. Until next time, keep chasing the horizon and living the ride.